So if you guys want to learn how to do an immense sign like this, all in vinyl, all using Silhouette Cameo 4, stick around because this video is going to be very helpful.
Motherfucking man, how the fuck you go like straight to the top? You was just locked up in the motherfucking can. And the party go down if I step in. My bar like I'm Scotty Pippen.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Dom from All Printing Inc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut longer than 12 by 12 with your Silhouette Cameo 4. So as you guys can see, we have the Silhouette Cameo 4 right now. We have a few things to do before we even start cutting. So first thing you want to do is ditch this cutting mat. Put this to the side. You're not going to need it. As you guys can see behind me, I have an immense sign. Immense. Like, this thing is taking basically half of my basement. What I suggest is you guys have decent space between your Cameo and your PC. You don't want to have like a tight space, because we tried it and it really didn't go that well. So make sure you have enough space between your Cameo and your PC. If you guys are wondering how I made this sign, all with the Silhouette Cameo 4. It's actually thanks to my friend that I learned how to do this. Okay, so we're about to do this sign, but we can only cut 12 by 12, right? That's what I said to him. And he's like, bro, nah man, this is gonna take too much time. So he said, can you cut longer than 12 by 12? And I said, it can only cut 12 wide, right? With the Silhouette Cameo, you can only put 12 inches wide of vinyl. But he said, if we can print longer, we could just do a strip, and it's gonna be way easier to stick to it, to the sign with a transfer tape, than trying to put all these 12 by 12s one by one. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. One thing you guys need to know is, you're gonna need vinyl that's longer than 12 by 12. So you can have vinyl that's 12-inch wide, but you're gonna need a roll that's like 10 feet or 12 feet. So what I suggest is you guys buy 12-inch vinyl, 10 feet long. That's gonna be the best results, and the Cameo can actually handle it pretty good. So let's hope for the best, prepare for the worst. All right, so load your 10 feet vinyl by 12-inch into your Silhouette Cameo 4. Perfect, now your vinyl is loaded, make sure it's tight, and then you're ready for the next step. I have 48 inches here and 96 inches up top, so 4 feet by 8 feet. So I'm working with the actual sizes of my sign. Once I take this and I put it into Silhouette Cameo, you guys are gonna see what happens, but just make sure you're working on the actual surface that you guys want to be cutting your vinyl on. So right now I need to print this black part, so I just select all these black parts that I'm gonna be printing or cutting. Control copy, open a new page on Adobe Illustrator, copy paste, and as you guys can see, it's immense, right? So just open a new file, 12 inches wide, since your Silhouette can only cut 12 inches wide. So you see, guys, this is how it's looking. It's a bit less than 12 inches wide, but we're for sure longer than 12 inches long. So we're gonna see what happens when we try to cut this with the Silhouette Cameo 4. Just save your file as an AI file. Just name it like anything. FF. Save your file, open it into Photoshop, and save it as a PNG. Save as PNG. Open your file. Perfect. Now once your file is open, as you can see, your 12 by 12 usual cutting mat really can't handle this. No worries. What you're going to do is head over here in the corner, click on here on the top corner, the page, and then right here you're going to see it's 12 by 12. Your stock Cameo size. What you're going to be doing is never change the width, because the Cameo, like you can see, it can never cut larger than 12 by 12, but you can always change the height. And this is actually Kever's that taught me this. So what you're going to be doing right here, as you can see, it's 12 by 12. You're going to be putting this right. I usually keep it as close as possible, so I'm actually going to be going probably 36 for the length. As you can see, that is perfect. We're going to be selecting everything to trace it. So as you guys know, just go here to trace, select trace area, trace all your design like this, and then you're going to click trace, trace right here. Just center your logo if you want. Send it to the machine. Make sure you have your perfect cutting. Me, it's on Vivid. If you guys want to copy my cutting settings, it works for HTV vinyl and regular vinyl, for most vinyls. So my cutting speed is 7, my force is 7, and the blade setting is on 4. So just send that to the machine. Let's prepare for the worst and hope for the best. what I usually do, if ever you're doing longer than like, let's say 2 or 3 feet, just do this. Like this, when it's gonna unload, it's all gonna do a circle. So it's not gonna go back. This is completely normal, guys. I know it might look alarming, but this is what's gonna happen. Completely normal. Just let it do its thing. As long as your vinyl is well loaded and tight on this side, you should never have a problem. Even though it looks like it's dying. You see, since we've rolled it, since it went back, we have no problems whatsoever. Like I said, having good space around your Cameo is a good idea. And there we go, a finished product. Let's see how it came out. Just load your vinyl through the same hole that was cutting. As you guys can see, way longer than 12 feet, and we have absolutely no problem. Every single detail is there. I know you guys can't see very well, but look, everything is there. Every single detail, so very impressed. So like you guys saw, no problems. This cutout maybe what? 3 feet, I would say, minimum. This is at least 3 feet. We're just gonna zoom out. You guys can see, we're basically making 2 signs like this, one in English and one in French. This is what the white canvas looks like. As you can see, this is way longer than 12 by 12 inches. This is like 1.5 inches by like 3 feet. Same thing for this one, like 2.5 inches by like 3 feet. So if you guys want to learn how to do this, stick around, because usually you can't cut longer or larger than 12 inch by 12 inch with a Silhouette Cameo 4. The trick, if you guys don't have a 10 feet vinyl, you can use like, I think this is 3 feet, and just put your design, if it's smaller than 12 inches, like the width, just put your design like this, so vertically, so you're going to be able to save some space. And yeah, let's do this. The more your machine sounds like answer, the more premium it is. If you guys found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hole printing, make a print you'll never forget.